How to fix Android phone overheating. So if you're facing a problem with the Android phone overheating problems, then what you need to do is there are a few steps. So the first step is you need to simply go to a cool place or turn on the air conditioner. So if your phone gets heated, then the first thing you need to do is go to a cool place, or you just need to turn on your air conditioner and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then if you're using Wi-Fi, mobile data, or Bluetooth and any kind of interfaces, then you just need to simply turn on your airplane mode. And once you turn on your airplane mode, your Wi-Fi, data, Bluetooth, or any other services will be turned off. And once you turn on the airplane mode, simply wait for 15 minutes. And after that, you can go back and turn on your Wi-Fi or data or anything, and your problem might be fixed. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to decrease your brightness, because in some cases, if you have increased the brightness, like if you're playing games or something, then you will have your brightness to the top level, right? So if you have this much of brightness, then your phone easily gets heated. So you just need to simply lower your brightness and your problem might be fixed. And the fourth solution is you need to turn off your phone or close all the applications. So for example, if you've opened your Facebook, or if you've opened your Instagram or anything, or if you're using many applications at once, then you just need to remove all of the tabs from your background. And once you've removed, your problem might be fixed. Or the next fix is if you have a phone case, then you just need to remove the phone case for a few minutes, and after cooling, you can again put your phone case on. And if you have your phone on charging, then you need to simply pause your charging for a few minutes. And once you've paused your charging and once your phone cools down, then you can again go for the charging. And the last fix is if you're using hotspot, like if you're using mobile data and if you're using the hotspot, you have turned on the hotspot, then your mobile will get extra heated. So simply turn off your hotspot and your problem will be fixed. So these were the few fixes on how you can fix your Android phone overheating problems. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.